Hi everyone, I'm back on the Sunrise Ridge Library website to go over some of the changes that I've made for the final project. Um, First of all, you can see, as I talked about in the final project construction blog post, that I've added some tabs up here at the top. The first one that I've added is to library catalogs. I've always had the Sunrise Ridge Library catalog on the website, but now I've included a link to Surrey Public Library as well. Online resources hasn't changed. I still have all those images that link to resources that we subscribe to in Surrey School District. But I've added one research here that I think is really important. It pertains to lessons that I often do in the library about research and citation, but now I've included something on the website that students can refer back to. I've created, just with a Word document, a works cited template that students can use as they're collecting their resources. And I've used that template to create a sample works cited page. And I've given an example of every different type of resource that I included in the template. So I used the topic of volcano and created a works cited page that includes YouTube clips, images, print resources, web articles that students can refer to. I've also included external links to citation guides, BibMe, and EasyBib, which I often go over as another option for students when they're creating works cited pages. On the blog, I've written one new post, and I'm hoping to stick with my goal of updating this more regularly. I just talked about Skype in the classroom. I've included a link to that. And I'm talking about some of the amazing authors that we've connected with through Skype in the classroom. The most recent of which was with one for the Murphys and Fish in a Tree author, Linda Mullally Hunt, and I've included an image of that. I put a lot of work into a new page for teachers. I've added all of the tutorial videos for the district online resources that are currently on my YouTube channel, and I hope to continue making more of those. My goal is to make one once a month to coincide with our staff meetings. It kind of becomes an extension of that. So instead of going over it during the staff meeting, I've decided to screencast myself doing a tutorial instead, because we do have a lot of teachers that are very familiar with these resources. So it becomes an optional thing in addition to our meetings. I want to talk about digital tools that I'm using. So I started just by opening up my iPad and talking about some of the apps that I have on there and I like to use in the library. So those include QuillRMix, Level-It, Decimator, Book Creator, Sketch, a QR code reader, Skype, Twitter, and Scribd, which I've just been playing with recently, and I hope to work on a project with the French immersion teachers soon using that. And I'm always talking about Padlet and how great it is for brainstorming sessions, and I've included that in a lot of my collaboration projects with teachers, so I thought I should talk about it here for web-based tools. Also, I've been playing around with Kahoot, which I think has a lot of different applications for teachers, so I chatted about that as well. And Library Monitor's page stayed just the same, so that's what I've included so far. Again, just like the online resource page, all of these images are connected with links that will give you more information about that app or about that web-based tool, so that teachers can explore more. Thank you for watching.